the wall. So turn to page number 48. So this story is about two little girls, you can see in the picture. So children, as you can see the mirror here. So Anna and Myra. The story is between the two little girls, two sisters, Anna and Myra. Anna is wearing yellow frock, you can see here, and Myra is wearing green t-shirt here. So Anna is beautiful and Myra is little ugly there. She is fat, dark and all. So because of her looks, everyone disliked her. Even her sister disliked her. And then later something happens and everyone started liking Myra. So what is that? Let us read the story and we come to know, children. So just go through the lines where I am reading. Turn to page number 48 and just keep your fingers and just go through the lines, how to pronounce it. You can just follow the lines there, okay? Anna dressed up well to go out and play with her neighborhood friends in the garden. So she was getting ready. So you can see the picture here, Anna. So she was getting ready to go out and play with her neighborhood friends in the garden. She looked into the mirror. She looked into the mirror and smiled. She looked into the mirror and smiled. Oh, how desperately she loved the one in the mirror. By seeing herself, she got ready, and after that, she's seeing the mirror and she's thinking that she loved the one in the mirror there. So then, suddenly what happened? Sister, where are you going? Can I come with you? Her little sister, Myra, popped in the moment she was about to leave the room. So what happened? When Anna was getting ready and she was about to leave the room, her little sister, she came inside and she asked, where are you going? Can I come with you? She's asking. Okay. And then Anna looked at her from top to bottom. So Anna, what she will do? She will look at her from top to bottom. Just look at you. You are so dark, so fat, and your haircut is so ugly. So Anna is telling to Myra, okay, look at you. You are so fat. Your haircut is ugly. You are dark. You are so dark. So you. And then she's saying this, and she's saying that I cannot take you to the garden to play with me. So she doesn't like the looks of her sister, of her little sister. So after seeing her from top to bottom, she's saying that you're dark, fat, and your haircut is ugly. I cannot take you to the park to play. She's telling there. Okay, with my friends, I cannot take you because you're ugly. She's saying. And then with my friends, you ugly fat girl. She's insulting her. She's saying that you're so fat, you're ugly girl. So I cannot take you to play with my friends in the garden. Okay, like that she will say. Anna ignored her and went away. Anna ignored her and went away. Went out there, okay. Myra was sad and upset. So after hearing these words, Myra was sad and upset. She thought of Anna's fair, glowing face and walked out in pain. So Myra was insulted. She felt sad. She felt very upset after hearing the words from her sister, elder sister there. She thought of Anna's straight, glowing face and walked out in pain. And then, Ma, why is it that I am so dark? She went to her mother and she's asking, Ma, why is it that I am so dark, fat, and Anna is so fair and slim? So she doesn't know what to do. So she will go to her mother and she will tell why Anna is so beautiful and fair and then slim. Why I am so fat and dark? She's asking her mother. My friends often tease me for my body. My friends often tease me because of my body, because I am very fat. So everyone teases me. Why she's asking. Myra sobbed as she poured out her heart to her mother. Okay, everything, whatever she felt sad and upset. No, she went and told to her mother that even her friends used to tease her because of her body. And then mother took her in arms and kissed. So what mother did? She took her in her arms and kissed her. Oh, my sweet little princess, those who tease you for your looks can never be your friends. Those who tease for your looks can never be your friends. Friends accept us the way we are. Friends accept us the way we are. Isn't it? So if you are choosing any friend, do we choose because of her looks or appearance? No, children. A person is always known for his qualities, not looks. So even Myra's mother will make her convinced that the friends who are not looking at your qualities, they are just looking at your appearance, your looks. So they are not your friends. Oh dear, oh my sweet little princess, those who tease you for your body, for your looks can never be your friends, can never be your friends. Friends accept us as we are. So like that she will make her convince there, and then what happens? The warmth of the kiss made Myra comfortable, and she ran out of the house to join others in the garden. She forgot everything, whatever Anna insulted, made her cry there. She forgot it after hearing her mother's words. So the warmth of the kiss made Myra comfortable, and she ran out of the house to join others in the garden. A group of girls were swinging. Some were playing hide and seek. You can see the picture here. Some girls were playing hide and seek, and some were swinging and on the swing, and some were playing on the jungle gym. Nobody invited Myra to play. So nobody liked her because of her looks, isn't it? So nobody invited her to play there. She tried sitting with Divya on the seesaw. She tried to sit on the seesaw with Divya. Oh, you're too heavy for me, Myra. Go and play on some other swing. So even she wanted to play with Divya. She was playing on the seesaw. But what she told, oh, you are so heavy for me. So go play with others. She will scold her and she will chase her there. And then Myra tried playing on the swings with Jessie. And then what happened? Myra she went and wanted to play with Jessie there. But the swing could not bear Myra's weight. Okay. So because she was fat, no, the swing could not bear Myra's weight. Creak, 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 snap. The ropes of the swing broke off. So the ropes of the swing broke off because of Myra's weight. She wanted to play with Jessie, but the swing could not bear Myra's weight, and the rope broke into pieces there. Go away, Myra. Go back home. You are breaking all things and spoiling our fun, shouted Anna. Anna was observing that. She was irritated by seeing that when she scolded her. She will say, go away, Myra. Go back home. You are breaking all the things in the garden, and you are spoiling our fun, shouted Anna. And then poor Myra stood in one corner. So what happened? When her sister scolded her, she stood in one corner there, feeling unhappy about herself. She was feeling unhappy about herself because of her fatness, because of her body weight there. Tears rolled down her cheeks. Tears rolled down her cheeks. Why am I so ugly? She thought. Why am I so ugly? She's thinking. She's standing in one corner because no one invited her to play. Even though she wanted to play, the ropes of the swing broken down, and then her sister scolded her. So she's thinking to herself, why am I so ugly? She's thinking. Suddenly, a loud scream caught her attention. A loud scream caught her attention. Zen, Samira's small little pup. So Zen, you can see in the picture here, Zen, Samira's small little pup. That is another girl's name is Samira. So her little pup was flying in the air. Suddenly, a loud scream she could hear, and caught her attention. She could see that Zen is flying in the air. That is Samira's small little pup was flying in the air. Help, help! Samira cried. Help, help! She's shouting, screaming there. Poor Zen had lost her balance on the swing. Poor Zen lost her balance on the swing while sitting on Myra's lap and was flying high. It lost his balance and it was flying high there. Myra heard Samira's cries. She's crying, she's shouting, help, help. She was calling for help there. And then Myra heard this Samira's cries. She saw Zen in the air. She could see the Zen flying in the air and ran towards her. And she ran towards her to catch the little pup there. All the other children ran too. All the other children ran. Everyone could see that the Zen is flying there. It lost its balance on the Samira's lap, and then so all the children, they wanted to help there. Other children also ran too, but it was Myra who was able to catch Zen. But it was Myra who was able to catch Zen safely in her arms. Okay, so like this, we saved the little pup there. Everyone thanked Myra for her help and apologized for being mean to her. So all the children they ran to help the Zen there, but nobody could help. But Myra, who was the person who got the Zen in her arms safely. Okay. So by seeing this, all the children, they apologized. They said sorry to her because they were so mean to her. They did not take her for playing, and everyone thanked Myra for her help. Anna understood that everyone is important, and then Anna will understand that everyone is important, she also understood that a mirror on the wall can never help to know someone's worth. So when she was seeing in the mirror, she was thinking that she's so beautiful and she loved to see herself, no, Anna, because she was so proud that she was very beautiful. But when she saw that her little sister saved the little pup there, she understood that everyone is important. So the mirror on the wall can never help to know someone's worth. So mirror on the wall can never know someone's worth there. So she understood that one. She patted Myra's back. We all are proud of you, Myra. You are not only a great runner, but also a fantastic catcher. So Anna will come to know about it. So she also understood that a mirror on the wall can never help to know someone's worth there. So everyone are important. We shouldn't choose a person on her looks or appearance, but a person is known by his qualities there. So that one she will understand there. Anna will ask sorry when all the children will apologize to her to being so mean to her, and everyone started liking Myra. That Anna patted Myra's back. We all are proud of you. You are not only a great runner, but also a fantastic catcher. She will appreciate her. Anna will appreciate her little sister there because of this. Okay. So like that, everyone started liking Myra. So what is the moral, children? You shouldn't choose a friend on her appearance, his appearance. Okay. So a person is known by the qualities. Okay, known by the qualities. A mirror on the wall can never help to know someone's worth. Okay, children. I hope you have understood. Read the lesson and twice or thrice, and then pronounce the words properly there. Okay. See you in the next class. Thank you.